A cable management box organizes power strips and wires, reducing clutter while improving safety and aesthetics. My today's video is about top 5 best cable management box that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Keegh Cable Management Box, this desk cable management tray set is an excellent solution for keeping workspaces clean, organized, and professional. With two 16-inch trays that can expand up to 32 inches, it offers generous space to neatly store power strips, bulky adapters, extension cords, and USB hubs under your desk. The result is a clutter-free setup that instantly improves both appearance and productivity. Installation is flexible and user-friendly, offering both no-drill C-clamp and screw-mount options. The adjustable clamps fit most desk thicknesses and include protective pads to prevent scratches, making it ideal for home or office use. Built from durable metal alloy, the tray feels sturdy and reliable, easily supporting multiple cables and power units. Thoughtfully designed cable routing holes help guide wires neatly, reducing tangles and tripping hazards. Its sleek black finish blends well with any decor, making it perfect for home offices, gaming desks, or professional workstations. Now our second product is Tohiasen Cable Management Box. This cable management box is a stylish and practical solution for organizing power strips and loose wires. With a spacious interior measuring 13.7 by 6.2 by 6.2 inches, it easily accommodates most daily use power strips and surge protectors, helping keep floors and desks clutter-free. The faux rattan design adds a decorative touch, blending seamlessly into home, office, or dorm room decor instead of looking like a typical plastic cable box. Thoughtfully designed openings on both ends make it easy to route and access cords whenever needed. The hand-woven, rattan-style structure promotes airflow, allowing heat to dissipate efficiently and keeping electronics safe during extended use. A hinged lid with a secure strap ensures the cover stays in place, making it especially kid and pet-friendly by preventing curious hands or paws from accessing cables. Overall, this cord management box combines functionality, safety, and attractive design, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to hide and organize messy cables while enhancing their space. Our third product is Keegh Cable Management Box. This acacia wood cable management box offers a perfect balance of elegance and practicality. Crafted from high-quality acacia wood with a smooth natural finish, it features sturdy mortise and tenon joint construction that feels solid and built to last. The minimalist design blends beautifully into modern offices, living rooms, or bedrooms, elevating cable organization beyond ordinary plastic solutions. Safety is well considered with a secure magnetic lid that prevents accidental access, making it ideal for homes with kids or pets. Integrated ventilation slots promote proper airflow, helping protect power strips and chargers from overheating during daily use. With generous 12-inch length and 5-inch height, the box easily fits power strips, surge protectors, and standing chargers, while side cable slots keep cords neatly routed. Beyond cable management, this box doubles as stylish storage for small gadgets or decorative items. Functional yet refined, it's an excellent choice for anyone who values both organization and premium design in their space. Now number 4, Mounted Cable Management Box. This in-wall TV cable concealer kit is an excellent solution for creating a clean, modern home theater setup. It effectively hides power cords and S/V cables behind the wall, instantly eliminating clutter and giving your living room or bedroom a professional, polished look. The spacious recessed opening easily accommodates multiple HDMI, Ethernet, and other low-voltage cables without crowding. Designed for easy DIY installation, the kit includes everything needed: cutting template, drywall saw, and clear instructions, allowing setup in under 30 minutes with no electrician required. Since it's a plug-in system rather than hardwired, it's ideal for both homeowners and renters. Safety is a standout feature, with ETL in-wall certification ensuring proper and secure cable management. Durable construction adds long-term reliability and peace of mind. With thoughtfully sized wall plates, a 9-foot extension power cord, and all hardware included, this all-in-one kit delivers both convenience and a sleek, cable-free entertainment space. And our last choice is Nodoka Cable Management Box. This under-desk cable tray is a simple yet sturdy solution for organizing cords without damaging your desk. Thanks to the no-drill clamp design, installation takes just seconds. Simply clip it on, tighten, and you're done. It stays firmly in place while keeping your tabletop completely scratch-free. With a generous size of 13.8 inches by 5.3 inches by 4.7 inches and a 1.5-gallon capacity, it easily holds multiple power strips, adapters, and messy cables, instantly cleaning up your workspace. Made from durable steel, the tray feels solid and supports up to 11 pounds, ensuring long-term reliability. It's compatible with desks under 1.3 inches thick and works best with flat surfaces that have enough clearance underneath. Backed by a 1-year replacement warranty and responsive customer support, this cable tray is a dependable choice for home offices, gaming desks, or professional workstations looking for quick, damage-free cable management. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.